Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix GTA 5 just crashing, just not launching. There's like a black screen or something like that. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is, if you have GTA 5 installed through Steam, make your way over to Steam on your desktop, right click on it and hit run as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can go over to library, look for GTA 5. Once you find it, right click on it, hit properties, then go over to installed files. And then from here, you want to go over to verify this game's files are installed correctly, and just hit verify integrity of game files, because what this basically does is that it just checks if there are any corrupt files, and this will fix that issue. And you can X out, and you can also restart Steam by clicking on Steam in the top left and hitting exit. This will like restart Steam. Once you do that, you can X out of Steam, open it back up, and then you can check to see if that helps fix the issue. Now, the second method can be for people who have Epic Games Launcher. And what you can do is make your way over to Epic Games Launcher, go over to Library, and then look for GTA 5. Hit the three dots and then hit Manage. Now from Manage, you can just go over to Verify Files. It's the same thing. Just checks if there are any corrupt files, and it will fix that issue. And then you can X out as well. Now another thing you guys can do is in-game, you can just make sure to turn down your graphics a little bit lower. Like if they're too high, maybe your PC can't handle it, just lower them down. So just turn stuff like texture quality, shader quality, shadow quality, stuff like that. Just turn it down, and then you also should be good to go. And that should be it for the video. That is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.